Guys, today we are making this preepoo for my big sister. Guys, my big sister's hair is so thick. When I talk about thickness, she has the thickest hair I have ever seen. Her hair is quite dense, and I mean the dense is what I'm even clarifying is as thick, and I mean quite voluminous. So today I'm using this flaxseed gel to preepoo her hair before she finally goes to shampoo the hair. We'll be using the same quantity I use for my hair. So I use 2 to 3 tablespoons of flaxseed and then boiled it with about 250 ml of water and sieved it while it is very hot. Like, I'm emphasizing on sieving it while it's very hot. If you don't sieve it while it's very hot, you are going to have a lot of residue in your hair, and you're going to struggle with sieving it because at that time it will be very thick, like thicker than you expect. So just gently sieve it so it doesn't burn you because it's very hot. When you're done, this can be reused because when you boil it again, you are still going to get the sliminess. But then if you still want, you can just throw it away. So that's my sister's hair. I encourage my sister to return natural because I mean, she was struggling with taking care of her hair, and I gave her certain tips. So, sort of, she is my responsibility. So, I have to take care of her hair. So, when I get a chance, I really give her the pamper that she needs, guys. So, here I'm spraying some water on her hair. Don't worry, my mom was in the room. That's why she was always talking. I'm spraying some water on her hair in order to prep her hair for this treatment. This treatment can be done on dry hair, but then if you want easy and fast absorption, you need to spray some water on your actual hair. My sister's hair was in twists. I mean, she had twisted her hair before. So you see that I'm trying to detangle the hair before going in with the flaxseed gel. Guys, here's the flaxseed gel, and it has this so much slip that it's so easy for it to penetrate into the hair. It really offers deep moisture. So if you are experiencing dry hair, very dry hair, following up with flaxseed gel and shea butter, you are going to know a very, very big difference. You're going to notice a very big difference. The combing was so easy. Like, she herself, she couldn't feel any pain. Just that some of the time she felt pain. That's if I try mishandling it by mistake. But most of the time she felt no pain. So this is the best people if you want to, I mean, detangle your hair without feeling any pain. This is the best I suggest you do so that you don't end up ripping off all the shed hair, I mean all the hair on your scalp just because you are combing it while it's dry. People like to use another slip form like okra on their hair. For me, I've not really captured it in my head on using okra, but then I always give it a shot. Using okra is also a good slip. I followed up with organic shea butter. That's a shea butter from Ghana, and I just followed up with it in order to seal in the moisture because she'll be keeping this on her hair for about 30 minutes before she goes to shampoo it. So I do it throughout the hair and then twist the hair together. You can see how I am twisting the hair and then still detangling the hair. It's best to do this in sections, yes. Take your time and use your hands to detangle your hair first. One of the reasons why we lose so much hair is because we don't take our time in doing stuff. We are always rushing. We are always rushing. When we want to do with our hair, we are always rushing. We don't take our time. We just fast forward and do whatever like doing. Yes, I'm always very gentle. Even I'm more gentle with people's hair than I am with my hair. Sometimes I even get surprised. I am more gentle with people's hair than I am with my hair. If you're watching this video and you're in Ghana, I'll be doing home service with this, coming to your homes to treat your hair for you. I'll also leave my number in the bio so you can just give me a call or send me a WhatsApp message. Then we book an appointment. I'll come to your home right at the comfort of your home and come and give you a very good treatment for your hair at a small fee. Yes. So guys, let's continue with the video. Flaxseed is something that provides so much moisture to the hair. If you are dealing with dandruff, flaxseed can also be a very good way to moisturize your scalp. Dandruff grows on dry scalp. If your scalp is dry, that is when dandruff tend to live on a lot. So if you are dealing with dandruff, flaxseed can be your best bet in order to get rid of the dandruff. Following up with shea butter is totally optional, but it's very important because with my own, I didn't add shea butter to it, and I really didn't feel the difference. Like, it was not, yeah, given. But when I added shea butter to my sister's own, I saw a very, very big difference. So yes, if you are doing this, make sure you seal in with something that contains oil, like shea butter or hair oil, something that is supposed to, keep the moisture in your hair better. Yes, and you're going to love it, guys. So now tell me in the comment section, have you used flaxseed gel on your hair before? What was the result so far, and was this something you'll be using again? For me, I'll definitely use it again. It is a bit messy, but not as messy as people say it. You can actually manage the mess. It's not really a big deal. You can manage the mess in a way that it will not really affect you that bad. So yes, do this every time you want to wash your hair. There are several ways you can pre-poo your hair, but you can keep doing this flaxseed gel every time you want to wash your hair, and you're going to notice a very, very big difference. You see how thick my sister's hair is? It's so dense. Like, her hair is so dense, and I'm happy she decided to return to natural, because natural is the way to go. I've always been advocating for natural hair because natural hair is so unique. If you get the time to take care of it, you notice that your natural hair is so unique. It's made for you alone, and your curl pattern is for you alone. I also noticed that my sister has a thicker curl pattern than me. Her hair is very, very curly, and she doesn't know it herself. So I was the one telling her about her curl pattern and all that, and she was like, "Oh, really? I didn't know." Yeah, so my sister has a very thick curl pattern, thicker than mine. I realized that her hair is curly, or curlier than mine. So yeah, I wanted to demonstrate to her how curly her hair is. So she was watching it from the mirror, and she saw that, okay, her hair is very curly. So yes, flaxseed is something that can help you bring out your curl pattern. If you don't know how curly your hair is, using flaxseed can help you bring out your curl pattern. Yes. So guys, this comes to the end of the video. The rest of the flaxseed, I just dispose them off because I don't want to store it in the fridge. Yes. And this is my herbal oil. When you call me for an appointment, I'm definitely going to break this magic oil for your scalp in order to revive the hair follicles on your scalp. I just sealed in the moisture with this herbal oil in addition to the shea butter. In tree we say something like namdodo nsenkwa. No matter how many or how much the meat is, it's not never going to affect the taste of the soup negatively. Yes, so this is me moisturizing my sister's hair with this is me pre-pooing my sister's hair with flaxseed gel, and she loved the results so much. I also loved the results so much. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Let me know what you want me to try as pre-poo. If you haven't tried anything and you want me to give it a shot before you officially try it, let me know. Let me know what you think about my sister's hair. Do you like it? She has dense hair. My hair is quite manageable, not so hard, but her hair is very, very, very dense. I'll see you in my next video. If this is the first time you're stopping by, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so that when I post a video, you'll be first to be notified. Like, you'll be notified immediately, so that you're also going to engage on these natural hair tips that I'll be sharing henceforth. At this point, I don't know what I was doing to my sister's hair. I was just playing with her hair while she was just there. But yeah, I enjoyed the entire thing. I'll see you in my next video. My next video is about me moisturizing my actual hair with only shea butter and water. Do well to subscribe to the channel. Bye.